Introducing the new Rotary Hydrolift S4 Series, our new product range of electro-hydraulic mobile columns. An innovative system that can be configured via a dedicated app using biometric or OTP identification. Each column has an identification number and an LED indicator, showing the status of the column in real time. During the first setup, it's possible to enable connection via NFC, after which the LED indicator will begin to emit a flashing yellow light. After this stage, the user can simply pair each column via the app with easy-to-use guided steps. Once the columns are paired, a free radio channel will be suggested, and the user can return to the first column to close the loop. Green light, we are ready to operate. With a capacity of 7.5 tons per cylinder, the new Rotary Hydrolift S4 Series has a robust and compact design for lifting all types of heavy vehicles. The mechanical latch system with reduced window spacing and increased width provides greater safety during lifting procedures and improved parking functions. The new Rotary Hydrolift S4 Series is an essential product for heavy-duty workshops. For more information, visit us online.